Walking around downtown Toronto, seeing all these high-rise buildings remind me of Dubai. I love the city vibe. It makes me feel young. Coming from a laid-back province of Newfoundland, it's so nice to feel the hustle and bustle of city life. Sarap mag-big bus tour, but in my opinion, walking around still feels different. Ang saya kaya ma-feel ang vibe with a little sweat. Ha ha ha, kidding aside. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Ha ha ha, kidding aside ulit. Nothing beats exploring the city up close. Ayan, may tram din dito. Parang Dubai talaga, pips. Hi, bigla namang na-miss ko ang Dubai. Sana maulit muli. And this part naman, parang nasa Cebu lang kami. Ayan, lakad lang. Ayan, the famous Toronto sign in Nathan Phillips Square. Okay guys, see you in my next video.